Jeez, bro. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another Stuff Fishing with me, DYang. My boy Danny. And we're out here looking for some catfish. As you guys see in the follow-up video, I cut up some bluegills, tossed it in this water. The water still is pretty cold, so I don't know how it's gonna go. But stay tuned. I'm excited. And I'll see you guys on the water. Hopefully you catch something today. Oh, it's a dead largemouth. Oh no, yeah, it is a dead largemouth. Woo! Water squeezing the heck out of my thighs. Alright guys, so we made it. Woo! Let's see if there's some catfish. Let's start off with some bluegill cut bait. Oh yeah, look at that. Hopefully they're here. No sinkers or anything. Got him. I got a fish. That's a nice cat. There we go. Oh, jeez. Yeah. First catfish. Woo. Oh. Dang, that was crazy. Not even 5 minutes. Oh, look at that. Nice catfish. Bingo! Got him! Nice. We're looking for big ones though. I know there's big ones. Alright, here we go. Got a little nice catfish here. Let's see if we don't lose it. I forgot my stringer in the car. But yeah, I got a red one. Look at the color on this thing. It's so dark, the camera can't even focus on it. Wow, look at this beautiful fish. Go ahead and put it on the stringer and some fish nuggets. Alright. How's that little guy? Good eaters. Yo. Those are so pretty, man. Just gonna tie to a tree. We got two on the line. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and fish some more, this is my setup right here, okay? Nothing special, nothing crazy, just 17-pound fluoro as my, I'm using my bass setup pretty much, or bass gear setup. So every time this is my flipping fluoro with 2 pinch sinkers with a little swivel and a big hook and a bluegill meat. We are using shrimp too, so both of the meat seems to be working. So the hooks that I am using today is laser, Eagle Claw actually, Eagle Claw laser. Whatever size that is. I don't know what size that is. I think that's a size 2/0, right? Bigger hooks, bigger bait, bigger fish. There's always something over here. Cast all the way to the branch. Oh, oh, he took it. No, no, just took my food. Crap, I was paying attention. Oh, yeah. You had another 3,000.
Oh, chop.
Yeah. Dude, we donate a lot of too. Oh, got him. There you go. He was on this whole time.
Right?
Oh, jeez. He was on this whole time.
Nice.
Gee, I yanked him out of the river. Alright, alright. Yeah. Hmm? Do you want these? Yeah, right?
Yeah, yeah.
They're putting in your backpack. Oh, I got a bite. Dang, yeah, they're in here, dude. Oh, and it popped right off. Oh. Huh? Yeah, they're here. Look, he's on. Oh, get out of the water! Oh, that's a big one! Yeah, it is on. Oh, it is on? No, it's a catfish. No? It's a catfish, yeah. Is it? Yeah, it's a catfish. It's a catfish, dude. Oh, it's a get out of the water. It's a catfish, dude. No, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. Yeah, I saw him.
God, dang it.
Oh, was it crazy, dude?
What is that?
Catfish.
Big. He said, get out of the water!
Yeah! Let's go! Dude, that was crazy, bro. Oh my god, Danny, go grab my DSLR. Look at this thing. Oh my god, look, you got the hole, dude. Yeah! Wasn't crazy, bro. Woo! Look at that thing, guys. This is the size of my leg. Alright, guys. I told them I wasn't crazy. Got me a nice little bluegill. No, catfish. Look at that thing. Woo! This right here. Off of that cut bait. Man, look at that thing. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Big, fat catfish. Let me see if I can get a better grip on this thing. There you go. Woo! Alright, Danny, get some good shot of this. We'll tie them on a string and throw them on the grill because there's plenty of these big ones. Yep. Alright, well, we got some nuggets for tonight. Put this guys on the stringer and I'll see you guys back on the water. Wow, just hug it. We're gonna get some pictures of this one way. Yep, it's good. Sit on top of it. Guys, that was unbelievable. I just caught my PB catfish of the season. I'll probably weigh it later, but I'm sure that's at least 10 plus pounds. That thing was huge. As you guys saw in the video, it fought like a champ. I missed him the first time, and I wasn't crazy. I threw it back in that same hole. That was insane. But that was a big freaking catfish, and that's what I came for. Oh, I got bite. Oh, dude. Oh, he took it again. Here he is. Oh, I missed him. Little guy. Take this guy. Take this guy, I'm gonna sharpen it real quick. Little fowler right here. Jeez, I'm gonna drop my fowler. Nice. Oh, there it is. That was it. Caught that big one. Got a lot of the small ones just touching the bait. No bites after that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. Oh yeah. My brother here was pretty much focusing on smallmouth, but they're just not quite ready yet. The water's still kind of too cold or murky or dirty. I don't know. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this catfish series. Definitely gonna be back out. Try some different common spots here, some local spots. See you guys on the water.